Surya Namaskara. I'm Dr. Devashish. First of all, I would like to thank everybody for coming here. Little few words about our hospital in Marathalli. This is one of the best hospitals we have got. It is having all kinds of infrastructure and specialty services which are available. So there are multiple specialties like cornea, oculoplasty, retina, cataract services, glaucoma services. We are very proud to say that we have all specialties covered under one roof here, and we have extremely competent and experienced doctors for servicing or serving the patients here. And what I would say is we have all the technology which is available, the latest technology, and any patient who comes here, we make it a priority that we give him services which are to the best of our abilities, and we ensure that the patients, they return back home happy and satisfied. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming here. Through your medium, we want to tell that we at Vasan Eye Care Marathalli have all the latest technology, all the departments for treating any kind of eye disorder which we face, from cornea to glaucoma, retina, cataract, oculoplasty. We have all the departments and all the latest technology available at our center. Please do come and get a checkup done. That's where we get to know the most of the diseases. Thank you so much.
Just we want to welcome you all, anybody who has any kind of eye problem, to Vasan Eye Care. Be it a small redness in the eye to something where you can't see at all. We will help you. We will try our best to give you safe and successful vision. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 14 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಾರತಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಹೈಲಿ ಎಕ್ವಿಪ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸು ಇದೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡವರವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಲೇಸರ್ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆನೂ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 15 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಪಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಹಾಗೂ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರೆಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವಾಸನ್ ಐ ಕೇರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಜರುಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು?
ಅದು ನವೆಂಬರ್ 30th ಇದೆ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು ಒದಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್
ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳು? ಹೌದು,
ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಲೇಸರ್ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು ಕಂಡುಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ
ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂತಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಡೋರಲ್ಲೇ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಹೆರಿಡಿಟ್ರಿನೂ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Medium, we want to convey the importance of a yearly checkup for everyone, especially those who are above 40-45 years of age. Something known as cataract, which is an age-related disease. In Kannada, we say pare. Okay, so everyone should get a yearly checkup done. Only then we can find out what the stage is, what the condition is. So that's why it is important. We here at Vasan have all the best technologies, good infrastructures to provide the best care for you all. So do come and get a checkup done, and then we can plan for you. Thank you. So benefit is early detection gives best results, better recovery, early recovery, and the patient here whom we are operating for cataract go back on the same day also without any pain. We don't put any bandage. So these are the benefits if we operate early and get it detected early. So yeah. So we have different types of lenses and the cost depends upon that. Madam. And we have various schemes which are there like Yashaswini and all, which create a fortune.
Thanks.
As our colleagues have told you, so we have equipment to treat every kind of eye condition. right from a small newborn baby till even a 90-year-old. We have skilled surgeons. We have advanced equipment. We also have very good supporting staff. Our counsel, right from our security guard till our counselors, till the surgeon. Each one of you are here. Each one of us who are here are there to help you. So we treat people, children with refractive errors, those who need eyeglasses. We treat older people who have cataract. As I told you just now, we also treat people who want to get rid of their glasses with LASIK and ICLs, and even with squint children who, not just children, anybody who has squint or who don't want their eyes look abnormal, they can come here, get consultation done. And we also have very good glaucoma setup here. And anybody who have diabetes, please come and get your eyes checked, because your eyes may be slowly undergoing damage which you don't know till it is too far and too late to get treated. So we just want to say cataract, cornea, retina, glaucoma, squint. Name any eye specialty, we have it here.
ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸು ಮೇಡಮ್?
Nam hospital benefits, sir, it is not just the eye treatment. We offer you personalized eye treatment. Andra, if you go to, I'm not just saying, we are not comparing with other hospitals. What I'm trying to say is, our team will give you that personalized touch. So everybody here who knows most of our patients' names. We remember patients we treat even 1 year ago. So all of us, not just the surgeons, entire team is there to help every patient who walks into our center.